Hello, people. This is Deepak Mahapatra, and a very good evening to all of you. So today, actually, I was watching one of the video from Impact Theory, like 10 brain hacks from the world's greatest achiever. So I want to share with you all those 10 brain hacks. So the first thing is how to stop worrying. Okay, so the thing is, we the human beings are thinking so much about our life, right? Even though we can't do something right now, but still we are thinking about that particular thing right now because we set our mind like this ki we keep worrying, even though it will not give, even though we know that it will not give any kind of result right now, but still we keep worrying. So there is a book called the 5 second rule from Mel Robbins. In that book the author says, whenever you are getting the negative thoughts na, just count 5 4 3 2 1 and just blank away. When you really do like this na, it will give you instant result, like your mind will be blank away. But for that you have to believe in yourself. It will not work instantly, but if you believe, then it can be possible, right? So whenever you are getting negative thoughts, not just count 5 4 3 2 1, done. Don't think about your negative points, your faults, or whatever after the countdown ends. Okay, this is the first one, first brain hack. And the second one is set the goals. Here the author wants to say is ki draw two circles. Okay, in the first circle, just set your goals, whatever, what you want your life, what you want to become in your life, what are the things gives you the happiness, what you want after 10 years, what you want in your life, what you want to do with your life. The thing is, okay, in the second circle, just think about what, when, and how. When means when this goal you will be fulfilled, when this goal will be fulfilled. And the third means how. How means how, what can I do right now, or how could I, how to set means how can I arrange those things, how to set my life like this ki when I will get my goals. So the thing is what, when, and how. Okay, what means what are the goals, when means when it will you want to fulfill that particular goal, and third is how. It depends upon your action. The faster your action, the faster your result become. Okay, so just go for it, just give your sweat and blood to fulfill your goals, and your life will become happy. Okay, so this is the third brain hack, sorry, this is the second brain hack, I'm sorry. And the third one is how to master self awareness. Okay, so the thing is, what is awareness? Do you really know what is awareness? So the self awareness is the being aware of different aspects of the self, including your behaviors, like how you're behaving, what are the traits, what are the feelings of yours. And do you know how this self awareness helps us to grow in our life? It helps us to, it allows us to see the things which are visualizing right now from the other's perspective, right? Okay, so it will gives you like a patience, like a self control, and you will work creatively, right? And the thing is when you self aware, your productivity will be more. Okay, so keep maintain a journal where you are maintaining the things which you are behaving right now, what are the traits, what are the good habits, what are the bad habits. Will those things which I'm looking right now is the same or it is different? Just look at the things from other perspective, your perspective too, then react. Don't just react. Okay, so this is what your self awareness is. Okay, and the fourth one is how to have a balanced life. Do you know what is balancing life? Balanced life, balanced life means this: LHS equals to RSS, right? Means, do you know who are you? Yes, you are the person who can make any wonder possible. So don't stop yourself, don't limit yourself. You are capable for everything. Okay? We the human beings are actually the best manufactured product from God, right? So don't limit yourself. Don't means hold yourself, right? Just think about, yes, I am capable for everything. Yes, you are capable for everything. And the thing is, whatever you are doing now, just don't think about the consequences. Just think about, yes, I can accomplish this particular thing whichever I am doing right now. Then see, whatever the result come, don't think about it, but be careful with your action. Okay, so, and the thing is, what are you doing? Will it be really worthy for you? Will it give the the thing which you want in your life? If yes, then just go for it. Don't think about, like, if I do like this, will I be successful? Will I successful or not? Don't think about the negative thoughts. Whenever you are getting the negative thoughts now, just think about the second brain hack, like 5 4 3 2 1. Blank away. Sorry, this is the first brain hack, I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is the fourth one. And the thing is, the fifth one: how to test the impossible. You know what? There is nothing called impossible in our life, because the world says itself, I am possible. And we are the people who are residing inside this beautiful world. Then obviously we are also possible. So don't set, like, don't hold yourself, don't set boundaries for you. Okay, there is nothing called impossible. Everything is possible. You can do anything possible, but for that you have to believe in yourself, nothing else. That small thing requires to do wonders in your life, and that one is belief system. Okay, okay, so the thing is, and the very important thing is, what can I learn from my haters? See, we people have so many haters in our life, right? Even though you don't know who are the haters for you of you. Okay, so just think about whoever haters are there of you. Just think about, what are the things should I learn from that hater, not hater, from that person, because everyone is good. It's all about our perspective. It's all about your good bad deeds. Don't think about it, just learn what are the things should I learn from that person. Okay, so this is the fifth one. The sixth one is how to learn something new. You, in your daily life, you should learn something new, because when you do, you will grow in your life. Growth should be the only goal in your life, and that growth will automatically gives you result and makes you successful person in your life. Okay, and the thing is, if you're doing something now, and if you're already an expert in something, in some area, then just don't push some extent in that particular area, because you are already done that particular thing. There is nothing to do in that particular area. So why are you wasting your time? You are already expert. Okay, so whenever you are doing something now, just try the new thing. Like, I am trying to sing something. Okay, my genre is different. But when I expert in that particular genre, then I should try the new thing, because when you try the new now, then in your life nobody can beat you. Remember this thing, and you are the winner. Just remember this word, just remember this sentence. The winner word now should be the tagline before your name. Like, yes, this is the winner Shank, this is the winner Deepak. Like that your life should be. So the seventh one is how to enjoy rejection. We people always care about our rejection rather than getting success, right? So the thing is, when you are thinking about rejection, now the rejection will come to you. When you think negative, when you think bad, the bad results, the negative results will come out. So here the thing is how to enjoy the rejection. Whenever you are getting the rejection, like I'm trying something new and I'm getting failure. Okay, if I accept my rejection now, then if in future again I will fail, then that disappointment, that what sad life, sad thing, that sad situation will not make me down. When you accept, yes, I do some kind of mistake, that's why I get rejection, then your life will be meaningful, your life will be happier actually. So rejection is a part of our life. It's not kind of success and failure. Both are the pillars of our life. When you use those failures to make an pillar, and in on the pillar just build your home or your life will be successful, because pillar failures are nothing, just the ladders for getting our success. Okay, and the eighth thing is how to create a comeback. Something, some, in some person, in some area na, actually you are getting very low in your life actually, right? You are getting some low kind of situation, like you don't know what to do, how this situation will overcome, how you will overcome the situation, or whatever thing is this, right? So in that situation, just think about, are you worthy? Are you really that kind of person who thinks lot much about those failures, those rejections, those negative thoughts? Are you really deserving that particular, are you really deserving? If yes, then please just blank your mind, don't think much about it, because you are not that person. You are the person who try and still he get the success, right? You are the person, so don't think about it. So the thing is how to set comebacks, right? And that comes when you give option to yourself. Don't give option to yourself, okay? And the thing is, don't think anything while you are doing something. Just go and do do don't think about what will be the outcome, what will be the consequences, what will be the result. Okay, so the main thing is, just don't think about anything, just go for it. Okay, don't hold yourself, and don't give an option to yourself, because when we have various options now, we human beings do taking those things grantedly. Okay, so don't do that. And the ninth thing is how to come up with business ideas. Okay, take a paper, take a pen and paper, write down your 3 problems, and do this habit throughout 1 month, up to 1 month. Okay, and from at the end of the particular month, just see what are your 3 problems in your entire month. You will get 90 best solutions, ideas your of your life, and you will be amazed, because I will try from tomorrow. Okay, and I'm also telling you, to all of you guys, just do this habit. Just write down the three problems to throughout the month. Okay, and just see at the end of the month you will be like, these are not my actual problems, these are the things which pushed me to achieve my goals. Okay, when you believe, the things will come out to you. Okay, and the main thing is, the 90 things now, the 90 problems which you are seeing at the end of the month, these are not the problems, these are the things which pushed you and yelled at you like anything and makes you the strongest person whom you ever imagined. This is the ninth one. The 10th one is how to find happiness. You know what, guys? Don't make your happiness as a materialist thing. On materialist thing, these are not the real happiness. Just show your gratitude. You are getting this life. You should be so much happy. Yes, I got this life, and I got two hands, two legs, two eyes, one nose, or two ears, one this beautiful face, whatever. Just be happy, whatever you are. Happiness does not depend upon the materialistic things. Okay? Happiness, do you know what is the real happiness is? The real happiness is finding small, small things in your daily life. Yes, you are beautiful. Don't think about your mistakes, faults, or whatever things are there. Just think about how grateful you are. In every second, one person is going out from this world. So just think about it, how lucky you are. Just still you are getting one more day. Make your day count. Don't depend your happiness, don't make your happiness like, if I'm getting this thing then I'll be happy. No, if I'm breathing right now I should be happy, because due to oxygen I am inhaling, I can breathe. I should show my gratitude to the mother nature, because for her I'm living my beautiful life. This is what the real happiness is. Just show gratitude to everyone, be it a servant, be it an animal, be it whatever the thing is, even the plant also. Okay, just show your gratitude. This is one life, one beautiful life, and you have to make every day count and live a life like a king size, like a king who never depends others, who spread happiness and who get nothing but inner peace. This is what the real happiness is. And I hope you like my video, and I hope you will utilize these points in your life too, because I will utilize those points whichever I am telling right now from tomorrow. Okay, so if I do any kind of mistake, I'm so sorry for that. I hope you like the Yeah, I hope you like this video, and thank you for spending this much of time. And a very good night to all of you. Have a great day, have a great night too. Okay, bye bye, good night.